Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to leave a group chat in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger and locate the group chat you want to leave. This could be any active conversation in your chat list, whether it's a family group, work team, or friend circle. Once you've found the group chat you're looking to exit, simply press and hold on that conversation. This will bring up a quick action menu with several options available. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Leave Group. Go ahead and click on it. This is the fastest way to remove yourself from any group conversation without having to open the chat itself. Now, here's something important to note. If you happen to be the admin of this group, a confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is Facebook's way of making sure you really want to leave, since admins have special responsibilities in managing the group. When this message appears, simply click Leave Group again to confirm your decision, and you'll be removed from the chat immediately. Now, there's also a second method you can use to leave a group chat, which gives you a bit more control and information before you make your final decision. To use this approach, go ahead and click on the group chat to open the full conversation. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll notice an information icon, usually represented by a small circle with an eye inside, or 3 dots. Click on this information icon to access the group settings and details. After clicking the information icon, you'll be taken to a new page that shows you all the group settings, members, and various options for managing your participation. Now scroll down through this page until you find the option that says Leave Chat. This option is typically located towards the bottom of the settings menu, so you may need to scroll a bit to reach it. Once you've found it, click on Leave Chat to initiate the process of exiting the group. Just like with the first method, if you're an admin of this group, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This message might prompt you to select a new admin before you leave, ensuring the group doesn't lose its management structure. Simply review the message and click Leave Group to finalize your exit from the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully left the group chat using either of these two straightforward methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.